Hello, agriculture enthusiasts. Today, we will explore some wonderful moments in the field of agriculture. Get ready to witness the stunning scenes of harvest season. The raspberry harvester moves along each row of raspberry bushes on both sides. The machine uses plastic rods to shake the bushes, causing the ripe berries to fall. The berries land on a conveyor belt, where farmers remove leaves and unripe fruit. The raspberries are placed into flat trays instead of buckets to prevent bruising. The green fruit remains on the plants. And 2 days later, the harvester returns to collect the newly ripened berries. Summary in English. Grapes are primarily used for wine production and confectionery. Typically harvested from mid-August to October when the leaves turn brown and wilt. The harvesting process involves machinery operated by skilled workers, using vibrating plastic rods to detach dried grapes, minimizing damage to the vines. The harvesting machines are equipped with cleaning features to remove leaves and green shoots before the high-quality dried grapes are transferred to truck containers. Additionally, the sweet corn harvest in California takes place from June to October during the milk stage. Sweet corn from this state is highly valued for its freshness and distinctive flavor. The harvesting process utilizes modern machinery, with the harvester's cutting head optimally adjusted to match the crop height and row spacing. The machine cuts the corn stalks while rollers guay. The introduction of these machines has been a game changer, significantly reducing the need for manual labor and shortening the time required to clear the fields. In 2023, the United States harvested approximately 340,000 acres of sweet corn. After planting, corn takes about 75 to 90 days to be ready for larg. The cabbage harvester is a valuable tool used by farmers to supply fresh produce to the market. As the machine moves through rows of cabbages, a specialized blade trims the leaves and roots of the plants. The cabbages are then transported onto a conveyor belt, during which excess leaves fall back to the ground. Workers on the field accompanying the machine inspect and remove unsuitable cabbages on the spot. Mechanical harvesters can completely replace manual labor, enabling the harvesting of dozens of acres daily. This method not only improves efficiency but also minimizes the risk of damage to the produce. The cabbage harvester is designed with specific features to ensure the harvesting process is efficient while maintaining the quality of the crops. Modern cotton harvesters are capable of handling multiple rows of cotton, often up to 6, which speeds up the harvesting process considerably. The front end of the machine does all the work as it moves through the field, using rotating metal shafts to wind and pull the cotton fibers away from the plants. The cotton is then transferred to a large, onboard storage bin, reducing the need for frequent stops to unload the cotton. Modern cotton harvesters are also equipped with modular cotton compacting systems on board. Harvested cotton is compressed into large bales, ready for transport to processing facilities. The carrot harvester is not just a tool, but also a revolution in California agriculture. Thanks to its high productivity, superior product quality and cost reduction capabilities, the machine has been helping farmers improve production efficiency and enhance their competitiveness in the market. In the future, with the continuous development of technology, the carrot harvester will be increasingly perfected, contributing to bringing California agriculture to a new level. China. which produces 31 billion pounds of peanuts a year, has been using modern machinery to optimize the harvesting process. Typically, after about 120 days of planting, when the peanut leaves turn yellow, signaling that the fruit is ripe, the harvester is put into operation. The peanut harvester works by using hidden blades to pull up the entire plant at once. Next, a powerful vibration mechanism removes the soil from the roots. The plucked peanut plants are turned upside down and placed in rows in the field to dry naturally in the sun. This drying process typically takes 2 to 4 days, depending on weather conditions. Once the peanuts have reached optimal dryness, the harvester continues to move through the field, collecting the dried plants onto a conveyor system. Here, a special rotating mechanism separates the peanuts from the vines and leaves. Finally, the peanuts are screened and graded by size to ensure the quality of the output product. Compared with the traditional manual harvesting method, the use of machines not only saves time and effort but also helps increase productivity and ensure more consistent product quality. Now, let's go to Iran, one of the world's leading countries in pistachio production. The peak harvest season for pistachios typically occurs in September and October. Harvesting machines are employed to streamline the process. These machines grasp the tree trunk and gently shake it to dislodge the ripe pistachios. The intensity of the shaking can be adjusted by the operator to prevent damage to the tree. The fallen pistachios are collected in automated trays placed around the base of the tree, minimizing ground contact and keeping the nuts clean. Many harvesting machines also have integrated systems to separate leaves and branches from the nuts. The pistachios are then conveyed to a sorting belt for preliminary classification directly in the field. Coffee harvesting is an important process that requires high precision to ensure the quality of coffee beans. Large plantations often use mobile harvesters. As the machine moves through the rows of coffee trees, special components are adjusted to vibrate gently, cutting the branches of the coffee trees carrying ripe cherries. This process causes the ripe cherries to fall without damaging the unripe cherries or the coffee trees. Modern harvesters are designed to focus only on ripe cherries, minimizing the collection of unripe cherries, thereby improving the quality of coffee beans. Thanks to the machines, the harvest yield is significantly improved, contributing to the development of the coffee industry worldwide. Brazil is a typical example. With an expected production of 66.3 million bags of coffee in the 2023 to 2024 season, Brazil contributes nearly 40% of the total global coffee production. This shows the importance of harvesters in meeting the growing demand for coffee consumption in the world.